In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create cinematic motion blur during animated movement. This helps your animations look much more natural and realistic, especially during fast motion. Let's get started. First, place an image or clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for transform. Drag and drop the transform effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Inside the transform effect, go to the position property. Click the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe at the beginning. Now move the playhead a few frames forward on the timeline. Change the position of the image so it moves to a new location. Now, if you play the clip, the image will move from the first position to the second position. Next, enable use composition shutter angle. Now increase the shutter angle value to around 360. When you play the clip again, you should now notice motion blur appearing during the movement. See, this blur simulates how real cameras capture fast movement, which makes the animation look much more cinematic and natural. And that's it. You've successfully created custom motion blur cinematic movement using the transform effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.